Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube ಚಾನಲ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂಜಲಿ ಬಲರಾಮ್. 2023 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ದು ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1 ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 2. 26 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದು, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ರಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಟು ಎನ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟೀಸ್ ಬೈ ದ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ವಾರೆಂಟ್, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಸರ್ಶೋರರಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಹಿಬಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಲೋವರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿನ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 27th question, which of the following constitutional amendment act had made the provision for publishing Hindi translation of the constitution? Option A 52nd amendment, option B 54th amendment, option C 56th amendment, option D 58th amendment. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 58th amendment. ಸೊ 58th amendment ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ 1987ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬುಕ್ಕ ಹಿಂದಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ. Next 28th question, which of the following is the landmark judgment on the colorable legislation? Option A State of Bihar versus Kameshwar Singh, option B M Karunanidhi versus Union of India, option C State of Karnataka versus Union of India, option D Keshavan Madhava Menon versus State of Bombay. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಹಾರ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಕೇಶವ ಸಿಂಗ್. Next 29th question ಬಂದು, which of the following constitution amendment act was passed in light of the advisory opinion received in Re Berubari case? Option A the Constitution 4th Amendment Act 1955, option B the Constitution 7th Amendment Act 1956, option C the Constitution 9th Amendment Act 1960, option D the Constitution 11th Amendment Act 1961. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ C is the answer, the Constitution 9th Amendment Act 1960. In this case, it is a legal dispute between India and Pakistan concerning the ownership of the Berubari region in the Jalpaiguri district of West Bengal. Following the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, the Constitution 9th Amendment Act 1960 was passed to give effect to the transfer of the territories as envisaged in 1958 Nehru-Noon Agreement. Next question is, which of the following provision of the Constitution of India is relevant for solving questions of repugnancy between central law and the state law? Option A Article 248, option B Article 252, option C Article 254, option D Article 256. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 254. Article 254 of the Constitution of India deals with the inconsistencies between laws made by the Parliament and laws made by the legislature of states. Next question, what transition period was provided in the Constitution of India for changing official language of Union from English to Hindi? So option A 5 years, option B 10 years, option C 15 years and option D 25 years. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ 15 years is the answer. Article 343 clause 1 of the Constitution of India provides that the official language of the Union shall be Hindi in Devanagari script. It took period of 15 years from the commencement of the Constitution. 32 question, in which of the following case it was held that there could be no reservation on single post in the cadre? Option A Chakradhar Pashwan versus State of Bihar, option B KC Vasant Kumar versus State of Karnataka, option C ABSK Singh versus Union of India, option D State of Kerala versus NM Thomas. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಚಕ್ರಧಾರ್ ಪಾಶ್ವಾನ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಹಾರ್. In this case, Honorable Supreme Court had held that a rule of reservation could not be upheld to the single post cadre as it would amount to 100% reservation, violating Article 16 clause 1 and Article 14 of the Constitution. Next 33 question, sexual harassment of a working woman at her place of work may also be considered as the violation of which of the following provisions of the Constitution of India? Option A, Article 19 Clause 1 Clause B. Option B, Article 19 Clause 1 Clause D. Option C, Article 19 Clause 1 Clause E. Option D, Article 19 Clause 1 Clause G. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 19 Clause 1 Clause G. In the case of Vishaka versus State of Rajasthan, we all know it is a landmark judgment in the area of sexual harassment of workplace. So, in this case, directly violated Article 19 Clause 1 Clause G of the Indian Constitution affirms the right of all the citizens to be employed in any profession of their choosing or any own trade or business of their choice. So, Supreme Court held that harassment at the workplace is a clear violation of women's fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 14, 15, 19 Clause 1 Clause G and also Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Next question. Which of the following doctrine has been applied to resolve the conflict between Article 25 Clause 2 Clause B and 26 Clause B of the Constitution of India? Option A, doctrine of harmonious construction. Option B, doctrine of causes omissus. Option C, doctrine of liberal interpretation. Option D, doctrine of pith and substance. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಯಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. In the case of Venkataramana Devaru versus State of Mysore, the Honorable Supreme Court applied the rule of harmonious construction while resolving the conflicts between Article 25 Clause 2 Clause B and 26 Clause B of the Indian Constitution. Next, 36th question. How many types of punishment are currently existing under the Indian Penal Code 1860? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ 5. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 53 ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಪಿನಲ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಅಂಡರಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆತ್ ಪೆನಾಲ್ಟಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಿಸನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಗರಿಯಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಿಸನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ next one simple imprisonment, and last one is for future of property and fine. Next question. A and Z agrees to fence with each other for amusement. In the course of such fencing, while playing fairly, A hurt Z severely. Which of the following offense is committed by A? Option A hurt, option B attempt to murder, option C grievous hurt, option D no offense. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ no offense. Because section 87 of IPC provides for the acts done without intention to cause death. Next question. In which of the following situations right to private defense cannot extend to causing death? Option A, in case when an assault is causing apprehensive of murder. Option B, in case when assault is reflecting intention of committing rape. Option C, in case when assault is reflecting intention of causing simple hurt. Option D, in case when assault is reflecting intention to gratifying unnatural lust. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, in case when assault is reflecting intention of causing simple hurt is the answer. Next, 39 question. For which of the following section of the Indian Penal Code 1860 the word benefit does not include pecuniary benefits? Option A, section 89, option B, section 155, option C, section 156, option D, section 370. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ option A, section 89 is the answer. Section 92 IPC mentioned that mere pecuniary benefit is not benefit within the meaning of the sections 88, 89 and 92. Next question. X intentionally pulls up a woman's veil without her consent intended to honor her. As per the Indian Penal Code 1860, which of the following offence he has committed? Option A hurt, option B criminal force, option C assault, option D grievous hurt. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. Section 350 of IPC which deals with the criminal force. Next question. What punishment is prescribed under the Indian Penal Code 1860 for the person who mains any minor in order that such minor may be used for the purpose of begging? Option A, imprisonment for 5 years and fine. Option B, imprisonment for 7 years and fine. Option C, imprisonment for 10 years and fine. Option D, imprisonment for life and fine. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ option D, imprisonment for life and fine is the answer. According to section 363A of IPC, whoever means any minor in order that such minor may be employed or used for the purpose of begging shall be punishable with imprisonment for life, and also he shall also be liable to fine. Next question. X threatens to publish a defamatory libel concerning Y unless Y gives him money. Which of the following punishment may be given to X for the act committed by him as per the Indian Penal Code 1860? So option A, imprisonment up to 2 years or fine or with both. Option B, imprisonment up to 3 years or fine or with both. Option C, imprisonment up to 5 years or fine or with both. Option D, imprisonment up to 7 years or fine or with both. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಪ್ರಿಸನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 3 years or fine or with both is the answer. Next question. Which of the following sentence is an assistant sessions judge authorized to pass as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, sentence of death. Option B, sentence of imprisonment for life. Option C, sentence of imprisonment for term not exceeding 10 years. Option D, sentence of imprisonment for term exceeding 10 years. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಿಸನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ 10 years. ವಿ ಆಲ್ ನೋ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು 10 yearsಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಂಪ್ರಿಸನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಜಜ್ಮೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈವನ್ ಡೆತ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸು, ಇಂಪ್ರಿಸನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Next question. A person arrested by a private person for committing a non-bailable and cognizable offence shall be re-arrested by a police officer if such person comes under which of the following provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, Section 41, Option B, Section 41A, Option C, Section 42, and Option D, Section 43. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ Option D, Section 43 is the answer. Section 43 of Criminal Procedure Code, according to that, if any person committed non-bailable or cognizable offence, ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಡಿಲೇ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. Next question. Under which of the following situation wife is not entitled for maintenance under section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, husband presumes that wife is living in adultery. Option B, voluntarily wife refuses to live with husband. Option C, wife living separately as husband keeps a mistress. Option D, wife is forcefully removed from the house. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ is the answer. If wife voluntarily refuses to live with husband, in that situation wife is not entitled for the maintenance under this section 125 of CRPC. Next question. Which of the following procedure is dealt under section 164A of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, medical examination of the victim of rape. Option B, attendance of witness by police officer. Option C, recording of confession statement. Option D, recording of first information report by the police officer. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರೇಪ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Yes, section 164A of the Criminal Procedure Code deals with the medical examination of the victim of rape. So option A. Next question. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to diary of proceedings in investigation as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, the statements of witnesses recorded during investigation shall be inserted in the diary. Option B, the diary shall be duly paginated. Option C, the diary may be used as evidence. Option D, can be used by the police officer to refresh memory. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ is the answer. The diary may be used as a evidence. Next question. In which of the following cases manner of committing offence is not required to be mentioned in the charge as per the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A, A is accused of the theft of a certain article at a certain time and place. Option B, A is accused of cheating B at a given time and place. Option C, A is accused of disobeying a direction of the law with intent to save B from punishment. Option D, A is accused of giving false evidence at a given time and place. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಥೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಟ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. Next question. Which of the following section of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 provides for reference to High Court? Option A section 275, option B section 325, option C section 383 and option D section 395. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 395. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 395 ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹೈ ಕೋರ್ಟ್. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ದು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಳು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟಿವ್ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು AIBE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಏನು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.